Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to disable voice activation shortcut in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. Right now we have our voice activation here in this little shortcut on the bottom right corner, and we want this button gone. So we go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility functions here, and under interaction and dexterity is voice access. Right now it's turned on, shortcut is working. To turn off this shortcut, here it is, voice access shortcut. Now we can change it, or we can just simply turn it off, and now shortcut is gone and application is on too. And to turn off our application, now we need to go to this menu without our shortcut. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.